Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of NIBS Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is creative question. It has been taken from chapter 3. Now I would like to request my beloved students, please go to your textbook and take the exercise of creative question number 1. You know that in your exam, in your creative question, there will be four questions, A, B, C and D, and each question carries various numbers. In question number A, it carries number 1. In question B, it carries number 2, and question number C, it carries number 3, and question number D carries number 4. Altogether it carries 10 number. So to get this number, to earn this number, you need to read out the passage carefully. You will be given a stem and you need to read out the stem properly, then you can answer properly. Now let's have a look. Here it has been taken from chapter 3, question number 1. This is my lecture number 8, HW number 7. It's all about Adora and Avanti. There are two friends. Adora and Avanti are two friends. This is our stem. Adora and Avanti are two friends. Avanti has a younger brother at home. Mention it. Avanti has a younger brother at home. When Avanti went to visit Adora's family in their house, she found Adora's grandparents, uncle and aunt were taking food in a large dining table. Here, look at this here. Grandparents, uncle, aunt. I mean the number of family members you can mention here. After dinner, she along with Adora was lulled to sleep hearing stories from the grandmother. Avanti liked the experience. Actually, in this stem, we came to learn that Avanti and Adora are two friends, and once Avanti went to visit her friend. After reaching there, she found that there is a large number of family members who live together, and they also take their dinner all together in a same dining table. It means that their family is larger than Avanti's family, because Avanti has a only younger brother at home and parents. So Avanti's one is a very small family and Adora's family is a larger one. So what does mean it? Now let's go to question answer. Number 1 question is, what is socialization? In our previous lecture, we talked about socialization. Whenever we discuss this chapter, we talked about this socialization. Basically, socialization is a process or way where the children grow up and once become social human being gradually. This process is called socialization. The process or way can be a social environment. So the children can get that type of environment in a family. So next go to question number A. The way children grow in a society and gradually become a social human being is called socialization. Number B. A child starts to learn language with the utterance of ma. Explain. A child starts to learn his language by producing sound ma. Ma is the first language of a child. So this is the first step where a child starts to learn how to speak with his mother tongue. Basically, parents are the most closest person to a child. Among or between these parents, father or mother, mother is the closest person to a child. Mother always takes care of a child. Mother gives accompany to a child. Mother, if the baby gets sick, then mother takes care and give treatment. So that's why mother can give most of the time to her child. And even a mother starts to teach her daughter or son in his early age, because he started to teach him rhyme, words, language, alphabets, etc. By this process, a child starts to learn his own language or mother tongue. Parents are the closest person of their children. Again, between two of them, mother is more nearest person to a child. The socialization of a child first starts from its mother. The first medium of learning language of a child is ma. A mother teaches her child letters, words and rhymes. That's why ma is called the first utterance of learning language of a child. My beloved students, question number A and B is not needed to be relevant to the stem. This question number A and B may out of your stem. Okay, now go to question number C. Question number C is, what kind of family is Avantis? According to the passage or stem, we came to learn that Avanti has a younger brother at home. I mean, Avanti herself and has a younger brother and her parents. I mean, there are 4 members in her family. So it means that her family is a nuclear type of family. In our very beginning of this chapter, we talked about nuclear and joint family. A nuclear family consists of father, mother and their unmarried children. So Avantis one is a nuclear family. Let's see our answer. The family of Avanti is a nuclear family. You know that this is our application based question. C number covers application based question. The family of Avanti is a nuclear family. This is the answer of this question, and this answer should be in a one sentence and then start another passage. Give a space here, then go to next para. Family is a permanent social institution. Now you need to give explanation beside your knowledge based question. There are various forms of family. The nuclear family system is one of the main forms of family. A nuclear family consists of husband, wife and unmarried children. When the children become adults, they start their own families, then a new nuclear family gets emerged. In the stem, it's seen that Avanti has a younger brother at home. It means that Avanti's parent and the younger brother and Avanti herself live in a family altogether. The form of Avanti's family indicates the nuclear family system. So, it's said that the family of Avanti is a nuclear type of family. We already have reached the end of our today's class. So we talked about from your chapter 3, exercise number 1. And we already talked about A, B and C, and D is left for you because D will be your SW. Now take your SW. SW number is 7, creative question number 1 and D number, sub number is D. Adora's family plays a better role in socialization. Again, Adora's family plays a better role in socialization. Do you agree with this statement? If you agree, give your opinion. If you do not agree, then you should give your own opinion. So this is your SW. I hope you have already understood how to answer a creative question A, B, C and D. I told you that question number A and B is not necessary to be relevant to the stem, but C and D should be relevant to the mentioned stem. You must answer question number C and D reading the stem carefully. After reading, then you can answer properly. So keep practicing at home and submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous SW also. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.